This is Redmi Note 7S and another edition by Redmi in its 7 series lineup. Let's quickly get inside the box. Within the box you get the device itself, a soft case, some paperwork, a Type-C cable, and a regular 10-watt charger. The phone looks totally identical to Redmi Note 7 and Note 7 Pro. The device gets the protection of Gorilla Glass 5. Talking about the physical overview, the phone has a glass back, and on back you have a fingerprint scanner and a dual camera setup. On the right hand side of the device you get power button and a volume rocker. On top of the phone you get headphone jack, a secondary noise cancellation mic, and yep, you get a IR blaster too. On the bottom side you get speakers and a USB Type-C port. On the left hand side of the device you get a SIM tray, which is still a hybrid SIM slot. Front is a 6.3 inches Full HD Plus LCD display with a dot notch. So again, in terms of looks, it's same as of Note 7 or Note 7 Pro. Talking about cameras, it has a dual rear camera setup. One is a 48 megapixel, but this time it's a Samsung sensor, and another is a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And in front you get a 13 megapixel selfie shooter. Here are some camera sample shots. On a software note, Redmi Note 7S runs on MIUI 10 based on Android 9 Pie. The Note 7S runs on Snapdragon 660 processor, which is quite a capable processor. On a battery note, you get a 4000 mAh battery, which also supports Quick Charge 4, but you don't get that quick charger inside the box. The Redmi Note 7S has got two variants, that's 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. You get the option to expand the storage, but as I mentioned earlier, it's a hybrid slot. We can say that Note 7S lies between the Note 7 and the Note 7 Pro. You get a processor like Note 7, that's Snapdragon 660. And you get a similar camera setup like Note 7 Pro, that's of 48 megapixel and a 5 megapixel. But in Note 7S, you get a Samsung sensor instead of the Sony sensor present in Note 7 Pro. So this was just a quick overview and unboxing of Note 7S. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching the video. Signing off.